How does dew point specifically affect golf ball flight and distance? Have you ever wondered how the dew point impacts the way a golf ball flies and travels? This is an interesting topic that connects weather patterns with golf strategy. Let's break it down. Dew point is the temperature at which air becomes saturated with moisture. When dew forms, it can affect the golf ball in several ways. For starters, if dew is present on the grass or the ball itself, it makes the ball wet. A wet ball tends to launch higher than a dry one. This is because the moisture reduces friction between the club face and the ball at impact. With less friction, the ball spins less and can fly higher, which changes its trajectory. However, this can also lead to less forward roll after landing. Now let's talk about humidity. When the dew point is high, the air is more humid. This increased moisture decreases air density because water vapor is lighter than dry air. With lower air density, there is less aerodynamic drag on the ball, allowing it to travel farther. On the flip side, when the dew point is low, the air is drier. This increases air density, which raises drag and can reduce the distance the ball travels. For golf professionals, understanding these effects is vital for tournament strategy. During early morning rounds, when dew points are often higher, players may find that the ball flies higher but rolls less due to wet conditions. As the day warms up and the dew evaporates, air density changes, which can affect how far the ball travels. In practical terms, men and women golf professionals adjust their club selection based on these weather factors. For example, on a morning with heavy dew, they might choose a club that provides more control and less spin, anticipating a higher launch but less roll. Later in the day, with lower humidity and drier conditions, the ball may travel farther but at a lower trajectory, which influences shot shape and distance control. Overall, the dew point plays a significant role in golf ball flight and distance. It affects the moisture on the ball and the density of the air. Golf professionals consider these factors in their tournament preparation and during play, especially as weather patterns change throughout the year. Understanding how dew point interacts with these elements can help players optimize their performance on the course.